What's up, YouTube? So I had quite a few people asking for a rabbit update. It's been about a month, I think, since I did anything on the rabbits. So give you the quick whiz around. So as of right now, there's 50 rabbits here. So we got babies just behind you. Veronica had 8 more babies. That's our second litter of 8. And they're about 5 weeks old at this point. So we bred the 3 females again, and 2 of them didn't take for whatever reason. So we rebred them. And Elizabeth here just had 10 babies 2 days ago. Yep, 2 days ago. So 10 in there. And Betty just had 8 more babies yesterday. So 50 bunnies, counting the breeders and everything. So these guys over here, most of these guys are ready. So these were all the first litters. These are mostly Veronicas with 2 other ones from Betty's litter. And then these were a mix between Betty and Elizabeth's. Again, first litter. So these guys are going to get processed this weekend. It's time for that. So I'm probably going to keep, there's a brown rabbit in here that's kind of light, so I'm going to keep that. Pretty similar to Elizabeth and George as far as looks, so I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to keep one of these, maybe both, with the black nose, black ears, and they got even black on the tips of their paws. It's pretty cool. And this little fella, because my son kind of claimed him. I've showed him in past videos. He's just super cool. He's the only one with this color, and it is a boy. Hi, buddy. So he was, hey now, he was kind of the runt of the litter, but actually there were 2. It was him and a little gray one. So there's still 2 big gray ones. But that little tan guy and the little gray one just weren't growing. They were eating well, definitely catered to them. They were drinking, they just weren't growing for whatever reason. The little tan guy's, he's been doing real good, he's getting bigger now. The little gray one, like it was last week, I had to take care of him. So I came down, he was still alive laying in the cage, but he couldn't get up. So I don't know if he got trampled by these bigger ones or whatever, but that was kind of sad. So I had to go, dispatch him because he wasn't going to, he was hurt, suffering. So 9 in this cage, 10 in that cage. So the one brown one there, this little tan guy, not sure if I want to keep a gray one or not, and possibly the 2 with the black, again, mixed in with the white. So essentially 4 rabbits. But they're pretty cool. But yeah, the rest of them are going to freezer camp. Again, there's Veronica. So she had her 8 babies, about 5 weeks old now. Super cute. What's up, guys? A couple up on top of the house there. But yeah, so they're doing really well. And again, you get Betty. So she just had hers yesterday, like I said. 8 for her. I'm not going to go in and mess with them because I've already done that. this morning, but you can see the fur and stuff in there, hopefully. I got old Pete, my little buck, who's not so little anymore. He put on some size. The diesel head. I got Thumper George. He's a beast. Absolute beast. What's up, buddy? Come here, crazy. That is just a big dude. And then Elizabeth. So again, she had 10 babies. Again, I won't go in there. I've already checked on them this morning. So yeah, again, a few people had asked for a rabbit update, so that's pretty much where we're at. So we're at 50 total. So it'll take a while for all the new babies. Again, those are at 5 weeks, so they'll need another month anyways to grow out. So we'll make some room in these cages. Like I said, I'll probably end up keeping 4. You know, clean all that stuff up, freshen it up for the new grow outs. Put some meat in the freezer. That's about it. So there'll be 19 rabbits there. I keep 4, so we'll have 14 rabbits in the freezer anyway. 15, sorry. Portuguese mouth. So that'll be good. But yeah, so just a quick video. Again, people asked for it. It's been about a month or so, so I figured I'd update you guys on that. Everyone's doing good. Like I said, with the exception of that one little gray one, he was super tiny. Almost the size of them babies that are 5 weeks old. And he was from the first litter, actually. So him and that tan one struggled for a while to put on any size. But the tan one's doing really, really well. Again, my son, Gavin, claimed him. So we'll keep him around. And he's super cool looking anyways. So hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll see you soon with another video. Take care. God bless.